some from here.
Down there? What?
Max, look.
I see some.
Sammy sees some too.
Wow, is your basket getting full?
Wow. These are for me.
Whoa.
Toys. There's another toy.
Oh my goodness.
And another egg. I think all the eggs for me.
Are you collecting all the eggs, Max?
No, you get it right there. I guess.
Here, Max. Daddy can help hold some of those. Oh.
Next year, you go running around in the Next year.
Here.
He's getting wet.
That's okay. Here, give me a big one.
And another big one.
Yeah, and then look at it's a baby dinosaur.
That, I think, might be for Sammy.
Yeah.
I see some eggs. Look at the bunnies left some eggs too.
No, mine.
Max,
That's mine.
you can be nice. Maggie wasn't after your eggs.
He was trying to run at me. He was running beside me.
Yeah.
He was just trying to help.
It's on there. This one on this one.
Wow, Max.
Look at them all, Max. Wow. What a good job you did finding them.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
I think your basket running over there, kid. That's funny.
Good. Oh, good collecting.
Yes. Wow.
Do you think they're all gone? You think you got them all?
No,
No.
I not got them all.
Well, your basket's pretty full.
I not get them all.
You don't think so?
Just have to look. Just have to look for more.
We have to look for more. Well, maybe we should go inside and look inside the eggs. What do you think?
Maybe there's some more in.
Can you say thanks, Easter Bunny?
Thank you, Easter.